Hi there. Wanted to give you guys a little bit of an explanation of the lifespan stage analysis project that you will be completing after we go remote. So here is the assignment that is located in Moodle. I will have this open for you guys and you will be able to start working on it as soon as you want to. So what you will be doing is basically finding something that you are interested in looking at a little bit deeper than what is in the text. So for example, it could be an event, an occurrence, a theory, something that happens in a stage. And I want you to summarize the concept, explain why the event or concept or occurrence is important to understanding this lifespan stage. Okay, so as you can see, depending upon which stage you choose, you will be looking at one of these course level objectives. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to describe how it impacts the stage. I want you to explain how the stage or age is important to understanding human development. I want you to choose 3 relevant terms that are related to this event, the stage, this concept, and you will be putting them in the glossary as well as having a slide dedicated to that in your PowerPoint. And you will also find a visual aid that is a video. I want a video that is relative to this. You're free to use other pictures as well, but I do want a video. So you will choose a lifespan stage and event. You will create a PowerPoint and you will create 3 terms or list 3 terms, identify 3 terms that are important and put them in the glossary. Okay, so here is an example. So this is just a very I would say hardly anything in here. Oops, I don't want to share, I guess. I want to present. There is very little info in here, but it just kind of gives you an idea of what I'm looking for. So I've created this in Google Slides, and it's just kind of defining infant attachment. That is my concept that I'm looking at. So I would then talk briefly about the theories that exist on attachment, and you're not just going to list them, you are going to show some depth and exploration of these. And then I have my first video, which is basically a video in which we're going to watch the strange situation, which is how attachment is measured. And then we are going to also look at the types of attachment that are there, and I would give the definition and I would explain what they are. And I then would also look at what the different influences on attachment are. Okay, parenting styles, temperament, context, environment, all of those things. And again, I'm not just going to list them, I'm going to describe them. And then why is it important to understanding infancy, or why is it important to understanding the lifespan? I would go into depth here. And then lastly, I have another video that I've included that talks about how attachment is also impactful on previous or later relationships. So as you can see, the internal working model of the child is going to impact the relationships that they have with adults as they start to form later relationships. And then I'm going to have one with my terms. Then I would also do a source page where I would list my sources, and that is pretty much all that you would need to do for that. And then you would turn it in on here, and here is your, as you can see, your rubric, and I will grade this according to that. And if you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Hopefully you will find this video helpful. And again, you know, it's designed to be interesting, something that you want to look at deeper. So please choose something meaningful. Okay, it'll be way easier if you choose something meaningful. And I will be addressing this in class before we go remote, but I also wanted to have an explanation of it should you need it for reference after we go online. So thanks, guys. Again, reach out with any questions. Have a great day.